In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the image block feature on the Magplus Now platform. Now on a default page layout, click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of the section. Under the Elements tab, just choose the image element. Now as you can see, we've been provided with a figure which consists of an image as well as image caption. First off, just click on the image, and on the right side of the page, under the Contents tab and the Image drop-down, you should be able to choose a file. Now this is the image that you wish to upload. Just click on it, click on Open, and for now I'm just going to click on Use Original. Now once the image has gotten uploaded, you could also choose to alter its size and choose its size individually for a mobile device. You could also choose to link the image to anything on the web. Simply enter the URL and choose the target to either same window or new window. Now you could also choose to have this image caption over the image. You could also choose to align it to either top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, middle left, middle right, or simply center. Now just enter your text and you're done. And that's it on the image block feature.